Last month Google unveiled their new NSynth Super Artificial Intelligent Touchscreen Synthesizer, which is available via Github, allowing you to use the code to create your very own music maker. If you are still a little unsure how to combine the required hardware to build a NSynth Super, Andrew Black has produced his own NSynth Super using the Raspberry Pi Mini PC and has kindly published instructions allowing you to create your very own. A NSynth Super can be created using a Raspberry Pi 3, potentiometers, rotary encoders, and the Adafruit 1.30 LED display. Magenta also provides Gerber files for you to fabricate your own PCB if you would prefer. But be aware that the build isn't easy and does require a few soldering skills to assemble the PCB. NSynth, Neural Synthesizer, is a machine learning or AI algorithm from Google and collaborators that uses a deep neural network to learn the characteristics of sounds, and then to create a completely new sound based on these. More than simply mixing sounds, it actually creates an entirely new sound using the acoustic qualities of the original sounds. Andrew explains a little more about the project. Open NSynth Super is an experimental physical interface for NSynth that is based around a Raspberry Pi, custom PCB, and a simple laser cut enclosure. It comes provided with turnkey O/S images that bundle pre-configured software and firmware, along with sets of example sounds, meaning that you don't have to go through the extremely resource-intensive process of generating audio files in order to start experimenting with the synthesizer.